One life for Christ is all we have. One life for Christ is so dear. Emmanuel, God with us.
My name is Pastor Mrs. Jenlo Ikechukwu. The man beside me is a pastor, Mr. Ifeanyi Chukwu Ikechukwu. We are here in Synagogue Church of All Nations by special grace of God. And by last month, I and my husband prepared to travel outside the country. Then I had a dream. The Lord said no, that we should come to Synagogue Church of All Nations in Lagos to come and pay homage to his son, Prophet T.B. Joshua. Then I woke up. I am just sitting down thinking of the dream I had. He said, I heard the voice. He said, yes, I will soon take him home. I said, what does this mean? Does it mean that the prophet will die? The Lord said, yes, he will come home soon. Then this is how we cancel our trip to travel outside. Yesterday, being Saturday, we went to the mountain. So we are praying. Then we are doing a worship song, waiting for the prophet to come and bless us as he used to do. So immediately the Lord opened my eyes. I saw it's like snow. Everywhere was turning to white. The environment changed. I opened my eyes again. Is it a dream? I did not close. It's just worship I am doing. Everywhere was changed. I said to myself, I have never seen such a thing in this mountain since I've been coming here. The glory I saw that yesterday was too much. I said, God, let your will be done. So I was sharing to my husband before my husband says, see my own revelation.
People of God, Emmanuel. By the special grace of God, my name is Pastor Ifeanyi Ikechukwu. And the woman that is sitting behind me is my lovely wife, Pastor Jane Law Ikechukwu. By the grace of God, we went to the mountain on Saturday. As we were in the mountain, we heard a lot of word of God, and there was praises. I stood up, I was praising the Lord. So as I was standing, I had a revelation. My eyes opened. I saw people running into scatter. People were running as if something happened. So I thought it was real. I opened my eyes and I looked back. Nothing was happening. I said, what happened? I closed my eyes again. I started praising the Lord. I saw it for the second time again. So I sat down. So as I sat down, I began to pray. As I was praying, I opened my eyes. I saw an angel descending. The first angel descended so fast. I can't understand. I can't explain it. The angel descended. The second one descended again. The third one descended. And the fourth one. They descended at the other garden that was at our front, behind where they used to make those chairs, those iron, the steel chairs. I saw the angel descending there, and no one was inside the garden then. And that was where our Papa came in from. Prophet T.B. Joshua came in from. I saw the angels there. So immediately after the angels descended, his atmosphere changed. The way he do things, he dropped the microphone and he walked around, and he passed through the gate and he left. So I keep on watching. I keep on looking at things the way it unfolded. But at the time, I begin to realize that those angels came to take our father home. You will not understand what I saw yesterday. It was marvelous. The death of our father is a blessed death. If every man of God will pass on this way, God coming to take you home, is a very, very good and wonderful blessing. Our father did not just die. He passed on. He was taken from us like Elijah. I say, may God be blessed. May God be glorified. That Papa TB Joshua does not just die. He was taken by the living God. I saw the 4 angels that came to take him home. I pray that God will give me this grace. God will give me this kind of grace. He did not just die. The Lord take him home. May the Lord be blessed. May he be blessed.
Thank you, our sister. Thank you. You may be seated. Thank you. I want to thank you for your time and for the heart you have for Jesus. Good morning. You are welcome. Time for everything. A time to come here and a time to return home after service. Many people want to be here, but they live in troubled spots. Don't forget them in prayer. For you to be here today is grace. What our nation is going through will soon be over. Let us watch and pray. The book of Matthew 26, watch and pray. Many of us are here, just pray. And then a lot of things in the house. Their attitude of unfaithfulness, disobedience are still there. They just want to pray, receive prayer. Just a people, anything can happen to them while they are coming to synagogue. There's so much kidnapping, killing, and destruction outside. Anything can happen to such a people while they coming here. But their own is to receive prayer. With their sham, with their bad attitude, their own to receive prayer. So this is what we are going to resort to. Interactive prayer session. I hope you listen to me. Yes, please. Can you give me a summary, the reason why we want to resort to interactive? You'll be at home, I will pray for you. The reason?
Because Jesus is alive and Jesus is everywhere. While you can be in Nigeria, Lagos, to pray for someone in India.
Let me hear from our father here. The reason why we want to resort to this, you'll be at home, we'll be praying for you, instead of coming here.
Because of the times.
Eh?
Because of the times, and more so, that these people are very far away, and God is...
Can somebody answer me?
Because some of us have bad attitudes. We are Christians, but we don't do the things of the Lord.